What's up, guys? This is Tampa Tech, and this is the Legends Ultimate Control Deck. I'm going to fix the trackball. I thought you guys might be interested how to do that. Now, it's easy to remove this control deck from the Legends Ultimate. Only thing you have to do is remove 4 screws, and it, you unplug, I think 4 plugs, and it slides out. And then there's a couple screws all around here. Never mind me cutting it. I cut this on the bottom. Yours not going to look like that. So just remove the screws and pull out the back panel, and you'll access the game board right here. And from this point on, you want to go ahead and unplug it. You can take a picture of everything you unplug so you know how it plugs back in. But these, I believe, are one-way plugs, so you can't really mess that up. They're all keyed. And go ahead and you pinch, you squeeze, and pull. That's all you do. You don't want to pull on the wires because you can pull the wire right out from the connector. So you want to pinch and pull the white connector. Right there. And right here. And then HDMI cable. Plug this. It's really in there. There you go. And you may not have to unplug these actually, because it should move out of the way enough. And so now you can access the trackball. And there's 1, 2, 3 screws, I believe, right here. Whoa! Yeah, there's 3 screws right here, but it's still, I don't know, for some reason it fell off. So let's go ahead and remove this. Take a look underneath here. And it's probably dirty, I'm assuming. Yeah, look at that. It is dirty. You see all the dust and debris under here. Okay, I got my cleaner. And let's go ahead and clean the trackball while we're at it. All right, let's go ahead and put this back on. Still doesn't spin right. See how it sticks? It's not spinning right. So I'm going to have to open this up further. All right. There we go. Let's find out why it's not spinning. Take this out. This doesn't, this looks like it's broken right here. So I have to glue that. So this spins freely, and this right here is broken. So I need to glue that. Okay, use super glue, and let's go ahead and hold it there for 30 seconds. This is really good super glue. It's actually gel, and you squeeze the sides to, release the gel. This is electronic cleaner, and it actually lubricates. It's called Deoxit. ball in, line up the grooves. There we go. Oh my God, it spins amazing. I'm not done yet though. Oh yeah. All right, got everything installed. I got Centipede up. Let's go ahead and start that. Oh yeah. This thing is smooth. Yep. Look at that. You hear that? That's smooth. That is working terrific. Love it. Guys, if this video helped you out, don't forget to like this video, share this video to anyone that is into gaming or arcade gaming, and subscribe and hit that bell notification to stay updated on the latest tech videos. Thanks guys for watching.